my way where shadows play. I'm walking through dreams that slip away. The echoes of laughter, the whispers of time, like ripples in water, they fade into rhyme. Stars in the heavens like sparks in the void, illuminate paths that the heart once enjoyed. With every guitar string, a story unfolds of love lost in whispers, of secrets untold. Underneath the moonlight, my soul starts to soar. In the depths of the silence, I'm searching for more. All the echoes may linger like ghosts in the night. I'll chase down the shadows till I find the light. When the rivers of memory pour soft as the rain, each drop tells a tale of joy mixed with pain. With the warmth of the longing, the chill of regret, I find in the stillness a solace, a debt. Underneath the moonlight, my soul starts to soar. In the depths of the silence, I'm searching for more. With every guitar string, the story unfolds of love lost in whispers, of secrets untold. Underneath the moonlight, my soul starts to soar. In the depths of the silence, I'm searching for more. With every guitar string, the story unfolds of love lost in whispers, of secrets untold. Underneath the moonlight, my soul starts to soar. In the depths of the silence, I'll learn how to fly. With the waves of silence, a story unfolds of love lost in whispers, of secrets untold. Underneath the moonlight, my soul starts to soar. In the depths of the silence, I'm searching for more. Though the echoes may linger like ghosts in the night, I'll chase down the shadows till I find the light. The rivers of memory flow soft and delight. The rivers of memory flow soft as the light. Let the music embrace me, let the shadows retreat. In the harmony's embrace, I'll find what is sweet. With these gentle